In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Squarespace. To get started, head over to Squarespace and sign in to your account. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one site, since domain settings are tied to the account you're working in. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll be able to access the tools needed to begin the transfer process. From there, click on Domains. This is where Squarespace lets you manage domain-related settings, including connecting, registering, and transferring domains. If you've never worked in this section before, don't worry. The layout is straightforward, and everything you need for this process is grouped in one place. Next, choose Transfer Domain. This option is specifically for moving a domain from your current registrar over to Squarespace so that billing and management can happen inside Squarespace going forward. Before continuing, it's a good idea to make sure your domain is eligible for transfer and that it has been unlocked at your current registrar, since transfers typically won't work if the domain is still locked. Now, enter your domain name carefully. Double-check the spelling, including the extension, because even a small typo can send you down the wrong path or cause the transfer to fail. Once the domain is entered correctly, click Next to move on. Squarespace will then ask for the authorization code, also known as the EPP code. This code is provided by your current domain registrar and acts like a security key to approve the transfer. Paste or type it in exactly as provided. Since these codes can be case sensitive or include special characters, accuracy matters here. If you don't already have the code, you'll need to request it from your current registrar before you can complete this step. After entering the authorization or EPP code, click Save and Continue. This confirms the information and lets Squarespace begin processing the transfer request. At this stage, there may still be a final confirmation required through your current registrar or by email, depending on how your domain provider handles outgoing transfers. So keep an eye on your inbox and any registrar notifications to avoid delays. That's all there is to the basic setup. Once approved, the transfer may take some time to complete, so don't be alarmed if it isn't instant. Domain transfers often take several days, and that's normal. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.